Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Run box. Press Windows key plus R, type msinfo32, and hit Enter. This launches the System Information tool, which aggregates hardware, software, and resource summaries in one view. You're doing this now so you get an authoritative snapshot. It's faster than hunting through multiple settings pages. Make sure the window finishes loading before you click. Once it appears, glance at the System Summary pane to confirm model, OS version, and BIOS entries are populated. Next, dive into the sections on the left. Expand components to inspect display adapters, drives, and network adapters so you can verify device names and driver dates. Then open Software Environment to review running tasks, loaded modules, and signed drivers. This helps trace configuration causes of issues. Use the Find feature with Ctrl plus F to jump to a hardware ID or a fault string quickly. Make sure to note driver versions and service states. These details explain behavior and guide updates. Finally, export your findings. Choose File, then Export to save a TXT snapshot you can attach to support requests or archive for change tracking. Once done, compare reports before and after updates to isolate what changed. If expected devices or drivers are missing, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. That often restores missing entries. If msinfo32 itself fails to load, reboot once and retry, then export immediately when it opens to avoid lost diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.